Hello everyone. So most of the times when we are working on Django, we come across errors like this, right? So what I have done is I have defined three different models over here, right? And as you can see, the model with name character is returning a string value. Now, why this error comes? Because when the web application tries to read a string value, but instead of a string it gets a value which is of some other data type, right? But as you can see here in the code, I'm the model named character is returning a string value. So why that error is coming? It's because the foreign key here is book, right? And if you will come here on the table named book, you can see I haven't converted it into string, right? There is nothing which can convert the book name into string. So what we have to do here, we can simply change this to string, right? And if I just save the changes and refresh the page, you can see here the error has gone. Alright, so just because the table was dependent on this table, the character table is dependent on the table named book, which is returning which was earlier returning a simple value. That is the reason we were getting that error. But the moment you will apply the implicit conversion property here, the error will go away and you will get the output.